everyone! Welcome to our kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to cook grilled cheese with poached egg. The first step is to heat water in a pot using medium fire. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now, we crack the egg. Then, remove the excess egg whites by straining the eggs. Stir the water to create a vortex. Once you create a vortex, pour the egg into the center of the pot. Then, let it sit for 3 minutes. Remove the poached egg from the pot when it is done. Now, heat a pan. Then, put the 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, we toast the 2 slices of bread. Once it is toasted, put the slice of cheese on the bread. Then put it together to form a sandwich. Once it is done, put the sandwich on a plate. Next, slice the sandwich in half. Pierce the poached egg to let the egg yolk flow. Then put 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of pepper on top to garnish it. You can also add thyme leaves for additional garnish and rosemary for plating.